In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Start by opening device's settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on sound and vibration. Now you can tap on Vibrate at the top in the middle if you want to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you don't, select Ring, or to mute it without vibrations, Silent. When you finished, scroll all the way down to tap on More Sound Settings at the very bottom. Over here you can click on Haptic Feedback and decide if you want to turn on or off haptic feedback for taps, keyboard and more by clicking on this switcher. If you decided you do want to enable it, you can adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!